Hi everyone, welcome to Building Public with Jahid. Super excited to be back with you building mobile apps together. I'm gonna build a mobile app together with you today. I'm gonna show you how to build it, walk through, and also we will build the backend, the front end, the database, the design, everything. So I'm gonna tell you exactly how it's actually being done. Super excited to have you here. So please have your tea, your drink, your snacks, whatever you are, wherever you are, or like what you wanna have. Just chill, have your computer open, and let's build together mobile apps. Let's vibe code. So let's just start building, and I'm going to show you a new surprise. So I'm coming up with a new platform design at newly. So we have changed a lot of things. Let me share my screen, and then let's just start all new things together. Natively is changed to newly. So we have a new name for natively. So you might have seen it around or not yet, but we are now called newly. So everything is new, amazing, but also we have a new platform here. So the idea is that we just want to give you the base experience of you vibe coding mobile apps. So I hope that you like the name and the design, and please let me know what you feel about this in the comments. Let's just start building, and then I'm gonna do a walkthrough, a short one on the platform, but then I'm gonna do that video very soon on the coming days, full walkthrough of the newly platform. So I know, like most of us, we're influencers, we're freelancers, we have agency, just we just like want to do, some kind of projects, sidekicks ourselves. So I'm gonna build an AI mobile app. We've actually, prepared those proposals for freelancers, agencies, or clients. So let's build that, and it's quite a useful business app, to be honest. But also, I have seen that a lot of people are searching for this app in Google through Ahrefs, ACO keyword search. So I think this is amazing idea. So let's build together. Let's see how it's actually being done. So I'm gonna write a comment. Build me a AI proposal generator um, for agencies or freelancers to send to their client. So this is a quite, broad prompt. I just gave it a go. And then what happens, I will gonna add and, modify the features on the go because I really want to build it step by step. So I just gave it a go. And yeah, also let me know what do you feel about the mask code? Because for me, it looks cute. It's amazing. Yeah, just my biased opinion. So this is how the new platform looks like. It's quite clean, amazing. And yeah, so we have everything in this sidebar, the chat, the code, the database, the logs. We can also have the app setting here. We can deploy the app. I'm going to show you how it's actually being done. We also have permissions to add, new teammates to our project. We can also have visual editor. It's like a small Figma within Newly. And of course, we can see the code in the GitHub. We can connect with our GitHub account, and you can have all the code stored there. And we can have a super base if you want to use your own super base, because we do have Liquid backend, our own backend. But if you want to connect with your super base, existing projects, do that. But it's very easy to actually use the Liquid backend, which we provide. And then you have an app purchase. You can actually have, subscription for your app. And of course, you can have push notifications. Amazing features are coming in along the way. So just wait and see how it's actually all being done. So yeah, it's just, I'm super excited to be back after a week or so of building in public. I really miss this. I love building mobile apps with you all because I'm learning a lot by doing this, and I hope that you are learning a lot. And also, it's a great motivation for you to start building amazing apps that makes money, solves your problems, solves other problems. So yeah, just let me know what you're building. It's the base time to build anything, especially mobile apps, and also build it in public. It's just the base time. Do leverage X, LinkedIn, Reddit, YouTube, um, and it's just TikTok, Instagram, whatever channel that you like. Actually, just find out your customers, your clients, where they are. So yeah, super pumped, and let me know what you're building, and let's just build amazing things all together. Amazing. So our app is ready. Here we see proposal AI. And if we zoom in, we can actually see it here. So let's log in with Google. Amazing. So here we are actually. So our app is ready and it's super nice. So here we can see our profile, and then we can have the agency setup. And here, we can have create our first proposal. So let's try to create a proposal and then see how it looks. Okay, we have some issues here. Let me solve this. So what I'm gonna do is simply, I'm gonna screenshot this, then load it here. Then I'm gonna ask AI to fix it for me. Please fix this. Let's go. So yeah, if you're facing with any, error or blocker, you just actually screenshot and then ask AI to fix it. I don't know how to code, so I just rely on AI a lot myself. So I'm not skipping this parts because, to be honest, with all the tools, these things happen. Like you might see some errors, and I want to show you the actual, journey of a vibe coding of a mobile app. It's trickier than websites, landing page. So it's good, to show you what is the real experience. And if you are facing with this, blockers or issues, you should be confident that actually AI is gonna solve it. So it should be all good. You just need to, talk and communicate with AI, and it's gonna be all good. So yeah, I'm gonna keep these parts for you as well to see how actually I solve this, small blockers or errors, because you would face with this anyways, with Newly or with any other tool. So have a real experience of how it is to build mobile apps, and it's amazing. So once you get through all these things, that's done. So it's all good. And here we have, build, plan, or ask. So if you want to build, you just give a build prompt. And if you want to plan, so you actually, choose the planning mode and then ask AI Newly actually help, with having your features, apps, all the design, and so all the structure of your app. And then if you want to ask questions, you can actually click ask. So here we have three mode of build, plan, or ask our Newly agent. So it's amazing. Amazing. So here's it. So let's see if we can create a proposal now. Amazing. So yeah, you see, we ask AI, AI fixed it, so it's all good, and now we can create proposals. So this is amazing. And I really like the UI here. It's very clean. So let me put the name client Newly, dot app. Email is, let's say, Jahid at Newly dot app. So it's me actually. Project title, YouTube content. Amazing. So let's say that's for SEO or branding. Let's say the budget is minimum 1,000, maximum is 2,000, and it's like we want to have it like 3 times per week. So let's just go next. Project description, please create nice and good content for all to learn how to actually vibe code a mobile app. Target audience, solopreneurs. Solopreneurs, um, 3 videos per week. Yes. Special requirement, nothing to be honest. So the proposal should be professional, because we want to send it to someone like a company. So agency name is YouTube Jahid. Um, Jahid is the creator here. Just some random things, yeah. Then I ask AI to generate me a proposal. So let's see. Actually, what happens here is that it actually doesn't work to generate proposal. So let me also fix this one, or actually ask AI to build it for me. So I'm gonna do that. So amazing. So what we see here, we're actually building step by step, but also we are testing out the app, how it works. And if you're facing, with some blockers or, some like something that doesn't work, you actually ask AI. Even if you're a developer, if you're building something, you're actually building a simple version and then you're actually testing out if there's some bugs, if everything works, click all the buttons. So for you as well as a vibe coder, please, once you have your app ready, please check everything works, all the buttons, all the corners. And if not, then ask AI to actually fix it for you. So, and here, the generate progress doesn't work. So let me just attach that and then ask AI to actually fix that for me, or just build it. So I'm going to say that, thanks. Generate proposal doesn't work. Please make sure that it is AI powered, and it generates proposal. Let's give it a go. So I really, don't ask ChatGPT or any other AI to make me a prompt. I just talk, newly as a human, I just want to say simple things, which I think, and also that's how I talk to a human even. So that's my way of prompting. And then you can actually, ask AI newly to actually do things. And so I wouldn't, overthink about how to prompt. I would just, simply be myself and then talk to AI the way I want. And if you want to, view the app on your device, you actually come here, preview on device, and then you can actually scan this QR code, which is, shows you your app on running on Xpogo. So you actually see and have your app already there. So you can already use this app if you want to have it now. So you can actually, use it on Xpogo and then just scan this QR code. So let's see. And this is our agent is going to fix this, and then we'll see our proposal ready. Exciting. Amazing. So our agent, did that part. So it fixed it. So let's try it again. Let's go and generate our first proposal. Okay, nearly, of course, for every time, like, you have to test out the app, how it looks. So maybe, it's a bit boring, or like you're, okay, why I'm doing this. But to be honest, that's what it takes to build a mobile app. So you just have to test it out and imagine that, this is a very useful app. You can actually make a lot of money with this because it just like simplifies, because so many people, they don't know how to write proposal. And if you actually modify this app that it writes amazing proposals, it really helps a lot of, freelancers, a lot of people, just to invoice or, kind of write like proposal. I mentioned invoice, so you actually have the proposal, and then you can also maybe generate invoice. So that would be the second or the third feature, and then it helps a lot because so many people, they don't know how to actually prepare a proper invoice. So that will be amazing to have, and then you can actually charge more money, or you can actually just give more value to your customers. So email is Jahed app. YouTube branding 1000, let's say 2000. Yes, maximum 4. Let's go next. It's nice, good, whatever. Vibe coders. Let's go. Content, YouTube. Let's go. Yeah, let's generate the prompt. Oh, my agency name is Jahid Pro. We make content. Let's generate a proposal. Amazing. So here we have our proposal ready. So it actually made a proposal. Here we can see Jahid Pro web design proposal. So yeah, here it's the executive summary. We say that, the minimum is 1000, the maximum is 4, and we want to make, 4 content. So this is about me, and then about the scope of the work, what we do, deliverables, timeline, investment, terms, and that's it, So we just kind of go ahead with it. So yeah, like here, we just made a kind of proposal with AI, and I think this is a very good app. We need lots of influencers, freelancers, side geeks, people that they actually want to have projects, and then they need proposal, and then they also need invoice. So you can actually add invoice as a second feature here, or third, as you like. So this actually, we just build a very simple app to generate ourselves proposals. So this is amazing. And here we have, here is a profile. Here we have, our proposal, the save. And of course, you can actually launch it. So if we just go to deploy, you can see, that we can deploy to App Store, test flight, APK, AEB is like, the APK, you just want to have the app on your phone, on Android. AEB is for the Play Store. Actually here, you can see, what are missing for deploying to App Store and Play Store. So we have a compliance here feature. Amazing. So we built this AI proposal assistant, or it writes your proposal and sends you to your clients. And also you can add invoice as a second option. So let's start building the second app, which I'm super excited to build one more with you. So today we're going to build 2 apps, not 1. Let's see. So I know that most of my friends that they have more apps, they're actually spending a lot of money on Meta ads, on Google ads. But I think, spending on ads is one of the ways how to actually get customers for your app. So let's build a smart mobile app, which actually does expenses, calculation for spending ads, and what's logical way on how to spend money on ads. So let's build this mobile app. And I think this is quite useful app as well. And I see that there is potential to actually make money with this because it's a huge problem. And lots of founders, lots of, app builders have really like they really don't know how much to spend, what's the ROI, what's the return on investment, all these things. So let's build that app here. It's my prompt. Build me a expense intelligence app for estimating how much to spend on Google and Meta ads. What are the ROI? What are the return scenarios? Let's give it a go. So here we want to build an app that actually tells us how much to spend on Google ads, Meta ads, but also what will be the potential return and if it makes sense for us. So here we can have different simulations, different hypotheses, different ideas, be very optimistic, be very pessimistic, be on average level. So we can actually see, and also this actually tells us how much do we need to have money and what will be the potential return. So this is just like a small ads assistant in your pocket. So we just let Nimly to build this, and then we will see how it works. Wow, our app is ready. So this looks amazing actually. At agency, and then it's at intelligence. I have been thinking about the previous app at intelligence. Your total estimate monthly reach, Google Ads, Meta Ads, estimate, and then we can have the saved ones. We can have a setting here. Yeah, this is quite nice actually. Of course, you have to modify, you have to actually fine tune the features a lot. This was just like, a simple prompt. We just give it a go. But here you could just get the idea. You can steal this idea. I'm not going to build this app. So you can go build this yourself. Or if you want to have this app, the ownership, just let me know. I can give the ownership of this app to you and you can actually work on this app. So just please comment in the comment section and then I will give it a go. So let's say estimate, so campaign name, let's say YouTube. My budget is going to be 2K. I'm going to do like maybe Google only because it's Google. And then e-commerce, no, it's going to be, let's go with software. Yes, let's calculate the results. Okay, this is amazing. So we have, if we spend 2K, we'll get 1x ROS. So we will get 752 clicks, 16 conversion. That will be the acquisition cost. And then this will be the revenue. So we'll actually lose $100 if we do this ad. So it's actually not that good. Oh yes, this is the conservative, this is the moderate, and then this is the aggressive. But still, yeah, they're all the same. Actually, we're gonna lose money, 4%. So yeah, this is actually, we build a simple app to actually find out how much to spend on Google Ads or Meta Ads, but also see some scenarios, how much we will lose money or how much are we gonna make money if we're gonna build this app. So yeah, if you want to take the ownership of any of these apps, please let me know in the chat. I would love to give you, and then you can build it. So we just built 2 apps together here. One, we build it, to actually create AI proposals for our clients if you have some projects, but also then the second app is that we build an ad intelligence app, where can we estimate how much to spend on Google Ads or Meta Ads, and also what will be the ROI. So amazing. So thanks a lot for watching me. And I hope you're also building your dream mobile app now and also like apps which make money. So these 2 apps that I have built, they make amazing money. Just go build it. And then if you would like to have the ownership, I'm going to share that ownership with you. You can actually continue building it because I'm not going to build these apps myself. So thanks a lot for watching and see you very soon. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye-bye.